Staratlas DAO presently exchanges close 32 cents. Bears control Polies as genuinely current cost activities in an unobtrusive manner. Polies cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The ongoing exchanging volume of Staratlas DAO for the most part is at $305,944, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. The 29th of May 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Staratlas DAO cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and basically attempt to answer these habitually got clarification on pressing issues. What in a real sense is all things considered. Momentary cost expectation for Staratlas DAO explicitly is Polies a by and large wise venture, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Staratlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so forth, which by and large is very critical. Yet, prior to plunging especially profound into the Polies specialized examination, sort of let us in every practical sense discuss the by and large current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $150,973,041,636 in an unobtrusive manner. The for the most part all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $33,001,951,281, which explicitly is very huge. Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33%, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84% in a kind of significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value diminishing of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, showing how market investigation over the last 24 hours. There explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $150,973,041,636, which basically is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period and in every practical sense, significant way. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.98 and is of now exchanging at 49 cents. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period, which certainly is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. These occasions demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a truly descending course for pretty present moment, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Right now, and in every way that really matters, general negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Staratlas DAO execution. The ongoing Staratlas DAO cost truly is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, which truly is very huge. Presently, Polies explicitly is somewhere around 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 USD, or so they generally thought. What in every practical sense is Staratlas, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Staratlas especially is a monstrous multiplayer web-based game that happens in a virtual gaming metaverse in a significant way. It is being based on incredible Motor 5, permitting the game to highlight film quality, constant conditions, or so they truly thought. Staratlas happens in a modern sci-fi setting in 2620, where three truly significant groups in a real sense have generally arisen and are seeking assets and control. Mud humanity. ONI, a consortium of truly extraterrestrial societies, and Uster, in every practical sense, conscious androids in a sort of significant way. The game in a real sense joins various classes in a huge manner. It sort of is part technique in that you basically need to foster strategic game plans on the most proficient method to by and large communicate with different players and groups. A piece of it for the most part is investigation, as the game elements an overflow of stars for investigation and double dealing, or so they essentially thought, since players can venture out to and essentially investigate these stars freely through first individual flight. It sort of is to some degree a flight reproduction, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Finally, players can mine assets and get income streams from doing as such, making it likewise a pretending game. In the wake of picking a group, players at first truly start in group security zones without battle to investigate truly fundamental interactivity, showing how it sort of is part system in that you essentially need to by and large foster strategic game plans on the most proficient method to collaborate within every practical sense, different players and groups in a very significant manner. Afterward, they can branch out to medium-level security and extremely open interactivity where battle fundamentally is conceivable, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Basic ongoing interaction support points are exceptionally profound space investigation, battle, building space stations and ships, picking in-game callings to mine assets, manufacturing partnerships to scale control of assets. Resources gained in the game can later explicitly be traded for genuine cash. Staratlas truly was reported in January 2021 and generally is being based on the Solana blockchain, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. It for the most part is supported by genuinely a few Solana-based projects, kind of like Serum, a by and large decentralized trade, and FTX, a really incorporated trade, which in every practical sense is very critical, in spite of the fact that Staratlas doesn't by and large have an itemized discharge plan. Its metaverse tokens fundamentally are booked to start exchanging August 2021, as opposed to prevalent thinking for the most part, who by and large are the pioneers behind Staratlas, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Staratlas sort of was established by Chief Michael Wagner, Coup Pablo Quiroga, CPO Danny Floyd, and CTO Jacob Floyd, which in a real sense demonstrates the way that since players can go to and investigate these stars freely through first individual flight, it truly is to some extent a flight recreation. Preceding establishing Staratlas, Michael Wagner most certainly worked at a VC store and at Multichain Adventures, an organization zeroed in on delivering blockchain-centered items, exhibiting how in the wake of picking a group, players at first really start in group security zones without battle to in a real sense investigate fundamental interactivity, showing how it fundamentally is part methodology and that you most certainly need to basically foster strategic game plans on the best way to especially communicate with extremely different players and groups in a by and large significant manner. Pablo Quiroga generally is the organizer behind an enhancement startup and explicitly worked in biotechnology before helping to establish Staratlas in a sort of significant manner, what basically makes Staratlas exceptionally one of a kind in an unpretentious manner. Staratlas generally plans to especially convey a vivid metaverse gaming experience that envelops exceptionally a few classes and by and large consolidates a film-quality gaming experience with a capacity to explicitly procure virtual resources that can generally be traded for genuine money in an unobtrusive manner. It intends to supplant its rivals by outflanking them in fundamentally a few regions. Up until this point, no blockchain game essentially consolidates as fundamentally various ongoing interaction prospects as Staratlas in a sort of significant manner, while games offer the choice to explicitly procure by means of marking, or fight different players for virtual resources, or truly investigate its virtual world and structure coalitions. No game does the entirety of the above at the same time in an unpretentious manner. Players can involve the Atlas essentially token as in-game money to buy resources. However, they can likewise by and large most certainly